Welcome, my dears. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are staying safe and fine at home. Have you had your breakfast? Drink plenty of water? I know you all are preparing for your terminal exam, isn't it? Okay, my dear kids, today also we are going to do the revision of Unit 4 Subtraction up to 9. Let us start. Taking away of something from a group of things is called subtraction. Taking away of something from a group of things is called subtraction. Yes, do you know what is the sign of subtraction? Yes, minus is the sign of subtraction. Do you know another name for subtraction? It is finding the difference. Another name of subtraction is called finding the difference. Next, subtraction by crossing out. Look at this. The question is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. How many smileys are here? There are 6 smileys. We are going to cross out 4 smileys from here. Let us cross out 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you tell me how many smileys are left here? 1, 2. Then what is the answer? 2 is the answer. This is how we can do the subtraction by crossing out. It is so simple, isn't it? Subtract the following. Dear kids, look at this. The question here asked is subtract 8 minus 3. What is the question given here? Subtract 8 minus 3. Look at the sign. What is the sign here? It is minus. So we know that what we want to do? We want to do the subtraction. If the question is given here, my dear kids, look at the numbers and look at the sign here. Here it is minus. So we want to do the subtraction. Minus is the sign of subtraction. So what we want to do here? We want to do the subtraction. We can do this subtraction in two ways. We can do the subtraction in two ways. Number one, drawing the dots and find out the answer. What is the first method? Drawing the dots and find out the answer. Look at this. What is the first number? 8. So we want to draw 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the first number? 8. So we draw 8 dots. Minus 3. What is the second number? 3. So we want to do cut 3 dots from here. Minus 3 means cut 3 dots from here. 1, 2, 3. Then find out how many dots are remaining here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are here? 5. So, what is the answer? 5 is the answer. Okay, my dear kids, I will tell once more. If the question is asked like this, 8 minus 3, what you want to do? We know that minus is the sign of subtraction. So, we want to do the subtraction. We can do subtraction in two ways. Then number one, drawing the dots and find out. Drawing the dots and find out. For this method, what we have do? What is the first number? 8. So we draw 8 dots. And what is the second number? 3. So we cut 3 dots. How many dots are remaining here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer. My dear kids, next we are moving on to the second method of subtraction. The same question we are doing here. That is 8 minus 3. What is the first number? 8. What is the second number? 3. What we are going to do? Minus. Minus means subtraction. Shall we do the second method? Yes. The second method is subtraction using fingers. Subtraction using fingers. Let us do. What is the first number? 8. So we want to take 8 fingers in your hands. How many fingers we are going to take? 8 fingers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take how many fingers? 8 fingers. What is the second number? It is 3. So, what we are going to do? We are going to fold 3 fingers from here. We are going to fold 3 fingers from this 8. 1, 2, 3. Then tell me how many fingers are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 5 is the answer. Is it clear, my dear kids? Okay, dear kids, what we have to do is we do the subtraction in 2 ways. The first method is drawing the dots and the second method is using the fingers. We can do the subtraction in 2 ways. Subtract using the dots or subtract using the fingers. Is it clear, my dear kids? Okay, dear kids, you can use any one of this method to do the subtraction. Is it clear, my dear kids? Subtraction on number strips. Okay, dear kids, the question is 7 minus 4. What we are going to do? We are going to do the subtraction on number strip. For doing the number strip subtraction, what we want to do? Let us write the numbers from 0 to 9 first. Okay, we draw the number strip first, 0 to 9, and put all numbers in one box and separate it using the single lines. Now we are going to do the subtraction on number strip. What is the first number? 7. It is subtraction. Subtraction means what? Backward jumping we want to do. What is the first number? 7. Let us start the backward jumping from 7. Here is 7 minus 4. How many backward jump you want to do? We want to do 4 backward jump because what is the second number? It is 4. So we want to do the 4 backward jumps. Let us start from 7. 7, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tell me where we are now. We are at 3. So what is the answer? 3 is the answer. Okay, dear kids, subtraction on number strips, how we can do is, first of all, we have to draw the number strip having the numbers from 0 to 9. Then what is the first number? 7. Let us start the jumping from 7. Minus means backward jumping we want to do. What is the second number? 4. So from 7 we have to make 4 backward jumps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Where we are now? We are at 3. So what is the answer? 3 is the answer. Is it clear? Next is subtraction of 0. Okay, dear kids, look at this. Can you tell me what is 2 minus 0? It is 2. 3 minus 0? It is 3. 4 minus 0? It is 4. And 7 minus 0 is 7. So we can say that when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Number minus 0 equals the same number. Next, subtraction of 1. Now look at this. Can you tell me what is 9 minus 1? It is 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. And 2 minus 1, it is 1. And 5 minus 1 equals 4. From this we can say that when we subtract 1 from any number, we get the before number as answer. Number minus 1 equals before number. Next, subtraction of a number from itself. Now look at this. 6 minus 6, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And 1 minus 1 is also 0. From this we can say that if we subtract a number from itself, we get 0 as answer. Number minus the same number equals 0. Next, subtraction stories. Let's look at this. There are 9 eggs in the basket. There are 9 eggs in the basket. Mom took 5 eggs from the basket. How many eggs mom took? Mom took 5 eggs. Then, how many eggs are left left in the basket? How many eggs are left in the basket? Left means what? We have to do the subtraction. Left means what? We have to do the subtraction. Shall we write the steps? Yes. Can you tell me what is the number of eggs in the basket? There are 9 eggs. Can you tell me how many eggs mom take? Very good. Mom take 5 eggs. We want to find out what? How many eggs are left in the basket. Shall we find it out? Yes, come. Okay, my dear kids, shall we write? Yes. Number of eggs in the basket. How many eggs are in the basket? There are 9 eggs. Very good. We have to write 9. Second step. Number of eggs mom took. How many eggs mom took? Mom took 5 eggs from the basket. So we have to write 5 here. Then look at this. How many eggs are left in the basket? We want to find out how many eggs are left in the basket. That is 9. Which sign we will write here? It is left. Left means what? We want to do the subtraction. So it is 9 minus 5. What we want to do? 9 minus 5. What is the question? How many eggs are left in the basket? How many eggs are left in the basket? So what you want to do? We want to minus. That is 9 minus 5. Take 9 in your hands. We take 9 in our hands. You want to subtract 5 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then tell me how many fingers are left here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Number of eggs left equals 4. Is it clear, my dear kids? Number of eggs in the basket? 9. Number of eggs mom took is 5. How many eggs are left in the basket? Left means what? You want to do the subtraction. How many eggs are left means subtraction. That is 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. Is it clear, my dear kids? Okay, my dear kids, I hope you have understood the revision class. Dear kids, eat healthy food, drink plenty of water, play well, study well, stay home and stay safe. Take care of yourself. See you in next class. Bye.